Every year, California produces over 13 million tons of processing tomatoes, and it all starts here at Sunrise. These machines can harvest 60 tons per hour, faster than 100 workers combined. The harvester cuts, lifts, and sorts in one continuous motion. Precision engineering at work. Human eyes still beat machines. Sorters remove 2,000 defects per hour. Each bin holds 25 tons, enough to make 8,000 cans of paste. The race against time begins. Tomatoes must reach the factory within 12 hours of harvest. This region processes over 1,000 tons daily during peak season. Farm to factory in under an hour.
Welcome to the largest tomato processing facility in the Western Hemisphere.
Every delivery is tracked, from field coordinates to harvest time to arrival minute.
Truck 7, full weight recorded, proceed to Bay 3.
52,000 pounds of tomatoes, weighed, logged, and ready for unloading in Bay 3.
Back, stock, go!
The hydraulic dump system can unload 25 tons in under 90 seconds.
Good dump, Bay 3.
Water transport is gentler than belts, preserving fruit quality while moving 400 pounds per. This water highway moves 60 tons per hour into the heart of the factory. Stage 1 washing removes field dirt, but the real cleaning happens ahead.
Human inspectors catch what machines miss: green stems, bruised fruit, foreign objects.
Welcome to the AI brain. Optical sorters analyzing 20 meters per second.
In 30 milliseconds, the system detects color, size, and defects, then fires a surgical air blast.
Waste bin at 60%.
Nothing goes to waste. Rejects become livestock feed and compost for next year's fields. Chlorinated water at 50 psi strips away the last traces of field soil and bacteria. Every tomato rises 20 feet, from wash chaos to final human inspection.
Keep pace at 95%. Good work.
8 inspectors, 480 tomatoes per minute, the last human checkpoint before processing.
2,000 pounds, one batch, ready for the chopper.
20 rotating blades spinning at 1,200 RPM, whole to diced in 1 second.
Preheating begins, 95 degrees now, 220 degrees soon, breaking down the fruit.
Vat 3 loading, 40% capacity. 10,000 gallons, enough paste for 32,000 family-sized cans, cooking in Vat 3.
At 215 degrees, cell walls break down, releasing natural sugars, acids, and that deep tomato flavor.
Every degree, every PSI monitored. Overcook and you get caramel, undercook and bacteria survives.
Culinary steam, pure, pressurized, injected directly into the cook for even heat distribution.
22 minutes at full boil, the cook is complete.
Vat 3 discharge started, flow rate normal.
Now the transformation, from chunky cook to smooth paste through the refiner. The pulper spins at 400 RPM, separating silky pulp from seeds and skins. Seeds and skins expelled, pure tomato pulp flows to the finisher for the final refinement. The finisher, 0.5 millimeter screens, giving paste that signature smooth texture. 28% solids, thick, smooth, ready for evaporation. Every batch tested, sugar content, acidity, color, meeting USDA standards before evaporation.
The evaporator, 3 stages, pulling moisture under vacuum, concentrating paste from 5% to 28% solids.
Stage 1, under vacuum at 140 degrees, boiling without scorching, preserving flavor and color.
Each stage removes more water, thicker, richer, concentrated.
Stage 2 at 18% solids, nominal.
Water vapor extracted, pure H2O separated, paste approaching target consistency.
Batch 447 at spec, send to surge tank.
28% solids, triple the concentration, ready for the final stage, sterilization.
The surge tank, a holding pattern, buffering evaporator output with sterilizer input for continuous flow.
The aseptic processor, 280 degrees for 30 seconds, killing every microbe while preserving flavor.
UHT at target temp.
30 seconds at 280, hot enough to sterilize, fast enough to preserve vitamins and flavor.
30 seconds exactly. Too short and bacteria survive. Too long and flavor degrades. From 280 to 85 in 15 seconds. Locked in sterility. Locked in freshness. Welcome to the aseptic zone. Cleaner than a surgical suite, where paste meets can. 400 cans per minute, each filled, lidded, and sealed in 1.2 seconds. Double seam perfection, hermetic seal protecting paste for 18 months on the shelf.
Cooling the seal, locking in vacuum as internal pressure drops, ensuring shelf stability.
Bone dry in 3 seconds, ready for labels and codes. Labels applied, brand identity, nutrition facts, traceability codes, all in 0.6 seconds per can. Laser-etched traceability. This can's journey from field to store, encoded in 12 characters. From chaos to order, cans staged and ready for case packing. 12 cans, 1 case, 2 robots, packed with surgical precision 60 times per minute. Each case tracked, SKU, batch, destination, routed automatically to the right pallet. 56 cases, 672 cans, 1 pallet, stacked in 90 seconds, ready to ship. Triple wrapped in stretch film, protecting product through its journey to 43 countries.
Random sampling, 3 cans from every 100th pallet, tested for quality, safe, consistency.
First test, the human senses, color, texture, aroma, decades of experience in one glance.
Batch 447 within specification.
Chemistry confirms the cook, sweetness at 28%, acidity at 4.2, matching USDA grade A standards.
Sterility verification, plated, incubated, monitored, ensuring 0 pathogens survive the process.
Texture and color measured to the decimal. Consistency that customers trust, batch after batch.
Panel 3 complete, scores logged.
The final test, human taste. Because instruments measure chemistry, but people taste food.
All tests passed. Batch 447 approved. Ready to ship to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes worldwide.
Batch 447 released. Begin order fulfillment.
Temperature-controlled storage, 40 degrees, extending shelf life from 18 months to 24.
Warehouse automation. Inventory tracked by GPS. Every pallet's location known to the centimeter.
Order 8834, 40 pallets, Bay 7 loading, route set.
Every order optimized. Nearest pallets picked first, reducing travel time by 40%.
40 pallets, picked, staged, and ready, filling 1 truck destined for the East Coast.
Loading Bay 7, refrigerated trailer at 38 degrees, 40 pallets, loading for Boston Distribution Center.
40 pallets, 2,240 cases, 26,880 cans, loaded tight, strapped secure, ready to roll.
Trailer 8834 sealed and cleared for departure.
Sealed and logged, this load won't open again until Boston, 3,000 miles away.
And it's gone. From our factory floor to your grocery store in 72 hours.
Across 5 states through 3 time zones, the cold chain never breaks.
The hub, where product from 12 factories converges, sorted for 500 stores.
Truck 8834 sorted, clear for next load.
Cross-docking efficiency. Off one truck, sorted, onto another, no storage, no delay.
The final mile to the store where your family shops, completed by dawn.
Store receiving. Scanned into inventory. Ready to stock the shelf you'll shop from tonight.
Aisle 7 stocked.
From harvest to shelf in 72 hours. Fresh as the day it was picked, packed, and processed.
One can, batch 447, the culmination of hundreds of workers, acres of fields, and miles of travel.
This is how modern factories produce tomato paste from start to finish. From California sunshine to your family's table.